What do I need when just getting started? You don't need a lot. Don't go out and buy a whole bunch of crazy stuff for your interview, or even for just the first 5 to 6 months of teaching. I wouldn't buy very much. You have a lot of things you need just around the house. You can print things from Google. And if you have an external webcam, you can always show Google Slides by just moving the camera. Or if you want to, you can download the free version of ManyCam so that you can show Google Images. You don't need a whole lot. I do recommend flashcards, and at least a couple of reward systems for those who only have taught a few classes or are not even seeing classes on your schedule yet. I would only have like 3 or 4 prop systems to rotate between, because you're going to see trial classes, and those students may or may not ever see you again. So it doesn't make sense to go out and buy a whole bunch of reward systems or make a whole bunch of reward systems. I actually just bought Valentine's with 3 boxes, so 4 boxes of Valentine's at 50 cents each right after Valentine's Day. And I just showed different pictures as the reward systems for my trial classes. And they work great. Kids like them because they love seeing different cartoons from America. And they work as reward systems, and they were cheap. You could do the same thing by just printing things off the computer. Go free. Free is always best. You can also even just cut up pictures off of cereal boxes. They have great big giant cardboard characters on your cereal boxes, and that's free because you had to buy the cereal. Don't spend a lot of money. There's no need to spend a lot of money. Start small. Bye-bye.